On this episode of We Have No Idea What We're Doing, but we're gonna do it anyways, we'll be exploring a route from Cape Town to Witsand. The morning starts on a beautiful and sunny De Kloof Pass. However, as we crested the mountain and made our way over to the other side, we did notice a slight temperature drop and some clouds in the distance. Unfazed by the weather, we stopped off at O'Mule, where there were some other adventure riders fueling up their tum-tums. We smashed a coffee and a breakfast burrito, then returned to the road. Our first piece of dirt was at the low-level bridge crossing.
This is the bridge that's supposed to be flooded. Where the floods?
Absolutely disappointed with the lack of a flooded bridge. Got onto the gravel for a little dirt skirt.
I'm being a nuisance now, but I want to just change this camera angle.
Approaching Robertson, we were greeted with some sky sauce. Now, it is important to note that the weather forecast only mentioned around 0.2 mils of rain, so we did not make any provisions for being so moist. No rain gear, no waterproof, nothing. So as we left Robertson, we were confident that the next town was going to greet us with sunshine. However, a sunny Swellendam was not on the menu. 15 degrees, freezing cold, and with our jackets, shirts, pants and everything in between completely soaked, we sought refuge in the closest pub and commandeered their pizza oven for warmth.
We didn't anticipate the rain. We were very, very wet, but there's a pizza oven. So, we've got to do just roast and toast a little bit, and then it dries. Brilliant.
Upon further inspection, I may have made my shirt medium rare.
Otherwise you will.
Anyways, it was decided that we needed some protection from the source, so some good old black bags would have to do.
I don't even know where to start.
What do you want to do?
I want to put it on my body.
You need to open in the middle.
No, can you make the holes for me? It's like a giraffe giving birth.
I got to eat!
Back on our route, we left the tar behind and got onto the gravel road, which would lead us to our next stop. Looking at the rain and the muddy mess which lay ahead, I can clearly remember Mark asking, "Stevie, is this the correct choice?" To which I laughed and said, "No, absolutely not." So we carried on. Completely unimpressed with the river crossing from earlier, I took it upon myself to ride in the closest river I could find. Alas, the adventure riding guards were listening and provided us with what we had been asking for.
Alright, so fucking proper river crossing coming up over here. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Okay.
Proper marinated in river sauce, there was not much left between us and our check-in for the night. I noticed another much deeper river crossing as we approached the bridge and suggested we should give it a go. Mark's response was less than enthusiastic.
Okay, you can light fuck off.
As we approached the coast, it appears we had finally left the rain behind us. The clouds started separating and the blue summer skies started to emerge. I'm still not entirely sure how we managed to choose the only day in January when it rained. Heading into Malgas, a pit stop was definitely needed. With our anti-traffic fine tactics in place, we made our way into the boathouse. A quick brunch to warm us up and then back onto the dirt.
And we have found ourselves at the Malgas ferry.
It was at this point, when we were still completely soaked, that a new game was invented.
Oh, that's a big puddle, bro.
The aim, send it through a puddle as fast as you can and spray sauce all over the other rider.
Oh my god! It's everywhere! Look at my whip! Oh, fucking morning!
Haha! Karma works in funny ways, Mark.
Oh, you dick!
We tried our hand at being cowboys and cattle herding.
I am a cow. Fucking whoop. Morning. 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 Evening. Morning. Food. It appears we are now entering Witsand. Where's our fish? Where's our boat? I think we are to the left here.
We checked in at the Breda River Lodge and parked the bikes.
So here we have arrived at our luxurious accommodation. Got your kitchen on the left, ensuite bathroom, and then lovely little balcony. Oh, look at that! Sea view.
Headed down to the local pub, cheers a beer and ate a steak to end off an incredibly adventurous ride. I hope you enjoyed exploring with us, and we'll see you in the next episode.